All right, we're going to take a look at the reference functionality. There's already a little bit of reference functionality. It wasn't documented though. The way these account records get generated, they get created with a reference ID that takes the object and then reference and then the ID of that, not like an actual Salesforce ID, but the ID of like that record that was being created. So what this is going to do is going to allow us to use nickname functionality. Some of this is already out of the box with Snowfakery and using Cumulus CI altogether. So this is kind of like detached from that. So we're trying to build some of that functionality in. If you're not able to use Cumulus CI for whatever the reason, and if you are already comfortable using this Faker.js implementation. But yeah, so here we go. This is the setup we need, nickname, and there it is. And here we go. Generate the run Faker by recipe. Pick the last one. It's going to generate our artifact files. And you'll see here in the contact, it went through and actually replaced with the nickname. Or it was actually already set to nickname. So what happens when the insert uh, runs, what will happen is that false. All right. What will happen is that the account underscore nickname will be replaced by that reference key map. So the account has to get introduced or inserted first, and then we'll create a key to that ID. Account nickname equals account ID, and so now we have, there we go, our account with our two contacts that were created.